The SSID, or Wi-Fi name and password for your T-Mobile router, are essential for connecting devices to your home network. You can find this information in two primary ways. First, check the physical label on your router, usually located on the bottom or back. Second, use the T-Mobile app on iOS or Android to view and manage your network details digitally. For newer routers, scan the QR code on the label with your phone to automatically populate the information in the app. If you've changed your SSID or password, the app will reflect those changes. If you reset your router, it will revert to the default SSID and password from the physical label. The T-Mobile app provides a convenient way to manage your router settings and access your network information. Open the app and log in with your T-Mobile ID to get started. Navigate to the Internet section, then select Network Settings. Here you can view or edit your SSID and password. The app also allows you to manage connected devices. Use the app to enhance your network security by changing credentials. For older routers without QR codes, enter the password from the physical label. Regularly update your password and manage your network through the app for best security.